Today, I'll show you how to use layers in Draw.io. Layers help you organize your diagram by placing different parts on separate levels. This is useful when your diagram has many shapes, notes, backgrounds, icons, or different versions of the same design. First, open Draw.io in your browser. You may also see it called diagrams.net. Open an existing diagram or create a new one. Once the editor opens, look at the right side of the screen. If you do not see the Layers panel, go to the top menu and click View, then choose Layers. Now the Layers panel should appear. By default, your diagram usually has one layer. You can rename it by double-clicking the layer name or by using the layer menu. For example, you can name it Main Diagram, Background, Text Notes, or Icons. To create a new layer, click the plus icon in the Layers panel. A new layer will appear. Give it a clear name so you know what it contains. Now select the layer you want to work on. Any new shapes you add will be placed on that selected layer. For example, you can make one layer for the background, one layer for the main flowchart, and another layer for comments or labels. To move a shape to another layer, select the shape first. Then use the Layers panel or the menu options to move it to the correct layer. You can also cut the shape, select another layer, and paste it there. One helpful feature is hiding layers. Click the eye icon next to a layer to hide it. Click the eye icon again to show it. This is useful when you want to focus on one part of your diagram without deleting anything. You can also lock a layer. Click the lock icon next to the layer. When a layer is locked, you cannot accidentally move or edit the objects on that layer. This is very useful for background shapes or finished parts of your diagram. If your diagram looks crowded, use layers to separate important sections. Keep your main shapes on one layer, notes on another layer, and background elements on another layer. When you are done, turn on all the layers you want visible, then save or export your diagram. So, to keep it simple, open the Layers panel from View, create new layers, name them clearly, place shapes on the right layer, then hide or lock layers when needed. And that's how you use layers in Draw.io. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.